Hey guys, welcome to Lognuts. Today I'll be showing you how to enter your coupon codes on your Temu account. And now let's dive right in. Now to enter your coupon codes on your Temu account, first open up your Temu app. And after that, at the bottom of the screen, you can see these options, and over there, tap on the U button available for us. And over here guys, on your account section of the Temu account or the Temu app, you can see there is the coupons and offers option available for us just above the credit balance or just below your reviews. Tap on that coupons and offers. And over here guys, if you have any coupons or code, simply enter your coupon code available over here, whichever may you have. And of that, enter or tap on that apply button available over here at the right side, and your coupon will be used, or that balance will be available, or that option will be available on your phone. And with that being said guys, this is how you apply your coupon code on the Temu account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.